just get yourself free. Hop on the bus, Gus, don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key lead and get yourself free. Ooh, slip out the bag, Jack, make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy, you just listen to me. Hop on the bus, Gus, you don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key lead and get yourself free. She said it grieves me so to see you in such pain. I wish there was something I could do to make you smile again. I said I'd appreciate that. And would you please explain about the 50 ways? She said, why don't we both just sleep on it tonight? And I believe in the morning you'll begin to see the light. And then she kissed me, and I realized she probably was right. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. You just slip out the back, Jack, make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy, just get yourself free. Oh, you hop on the bus, Gus, don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key